Hey guys, my name is Hannah McCory, and as you may know from previous videos, I'm the Referral Marketing Coordinator here at MWG Direct, and my role is to help agents like you who need a free Medicare and retirement insurance resource for your clients. Have you marked your calendar? The countdown is on. There are only 4 months left until December, which is also known for being the most common time of the year for people to retire. If you have clients who are coming off group insurance during the holidays, they are going to need a retirement insurance resource. And today is the perfect day to start the referral process. When you submit your client through your personalized referral link, one of our trusted advisors will reach out and ask some questions regarding their current situation. Whether it's Medicare enrollment or looking at insurance options, MWG Direct can assist. If you have not registered for our referral program, click the link at the top of the screen for a step-by-step tutorial. And as always, if you have any questions or need updates on what's going on behind the scenes, please email me at hannah.mccory@morganwhite.com or give me a call 877-759-5762 extension 1177. And we are looking forward to being your #1 Medicare and retirement insurance resource.